Good afternoon, everyone. So what did we learn yesterday? Do you all remember? We learned about adding and subtraction. So we have done workbook page number 20 and 21. So we will move ahead. I'm now going to share my screen. Just wait a second. Good afternoon. Is my screen visible? Okay. So, 8th question. It's in workbook page number 21 and 22. Take the correct answer. So read out the A number question. 18 plus 1 is equals to 19. This one is correct. Or 17 plus 2 is equals to 20 is correct. Which one is correct? You can type in the chat box and tell it to me. Yes. So 18 plus 1 is equals to 19. This one is correct. And this is wrong. Yes, 17 plus 2 is not 20. So what is 17 plus 2? 17 plus 2 is equals to 19. Okay. Then B number question. 7 minus 0 is equals to 7 is correct, or 7 minus 0 is equals to 0 is correct. Which one is correct? The first one or the second one? Yesterday also I told you any number subtracted or added with 0, that number only will be the answer. So 7 minus 0 is equals to 7. So this one is correct and this is wrong. Then third question, 2 minus 2 is equals to 2, or 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Which one is the correct answer? 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Yesterday also we studied that when two same numbers are subtracted, so answer will be 0. So 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. You can see when both same numbers are subtracted, then answer will be 0. So this box is correct. This is wrong. Then D1. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6, or 5 plus 1 is equals to 4. Which one is the correct answer? 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Yes, this one is correct and this is wrong. Understood this one, this question? So let us move ahead. So here you have to count the picture given and tell which one is the correct answer. So let us count this one first. Count it with me. Count it loudly, okay? So count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many stars are there? Here we will write. Okay, 4. This is for just your understanding. I am writing here 4. Okay. Then here, how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 4. 4 plus 4. So here is equals to 4 plus 4 is equals to, take 4 in your hand. Everyone take 4 in your hand. 4 fingers. Count after 4. Because this is addition, we will count forward. Count after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many stars should be there here? 8. So are there 8 stars? Let us count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 stars are there. So 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Now we will count this one. So start counting with me. How many stars are given in the first line? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 stars are there? Yes. And this is subtraction, minus sign. Minus sign is subtraction, okay. Then how many stars are given here? 2 stars. Yes, so 4 minus 2. How much? 4 minus 2 will be? Take 2 in your hand. Count before 4. Why before 4? We have to do backward counting because this is subtraction. I have taught you, right? When we do subtraction, we have to count backwards. So take 2 in your hand. Count before 4. Before 4, which number comes? 3. Before 4, 3. Then before 3, 2. So 3 and 2. Answer should be 2. But let us count and see here how many stars you can see over here. Let us count. Remember, this answer should be 2. Okay, 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. But here how many stars are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars are given. So this is wrong, right? Because 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. But here 6 stars are given. So this is wrong. And this is correct. Understood this sum? Let us do it again. Pay attention, everyone. So we have to find out which one is correct. This one is correct or this one is correct. So for that, we will count. We'll count the stars and find out. So when you count over here, how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars. So for your understanding, I have written here 4. Okay. Then again, you have to count this stars. How many stars are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. And here which sign? Plus sign. That means we have to add 4 plus 4. Take 4 in your hand. Take out 4 fingers. Count after 4. This is addition, so we will count after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer should be 8. So here we will count and see 8 stars are there or not. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So 8 stars are there. That means this is correct because 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Now let us count these stars and see whether the answer is correct or not. Now count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here how many stars are given? 4 stars. And here 1, 2, 2 stars. And what we have to do? Addition or subtraction? Subtraction. Why? Because this is minus sign given over here. Minus means subtraction we have to do. So 4 minus 2. What should be the answer actually? So for that we will find out first 4 minus 2. Take out 2 in your hand and count before 4. Why before 4? Because this is subtraction. We will do backward counting. So when I will take out your names and tell you to give the answer, so I will ask you why you are doing this. So you have to tell me. Okay. So backward counting for subtraction we use. So take out 2 in your hand. Count before 4. Before 4, which number comes? 3, then 2. Answer actually it should be 2. But let us count and see. Here, how many stars are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 stars are given. That means this is wrong. Because 4 minus 2 is equals to 2 and not 6. So this box is wrong and this one is correct. Understood? Let us move ahead. So this is given in your workbook page number 22. Very short answer questions. Workbook page number 22. Ninth number question. Read the question loudly with me. Add by counting forward. Read it again. Add by counting forward. Everyone will do each and every question with me, whether you do it in your notebook or your workbook. Okay. So first we have to count the picture given. Here how many cylinders are given, we have to count. This one. So let us start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many cylinders are there? 14. Count it again. Count it loudly. I'll ask your parents you're counting or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many cylinders are there? 14 cylinders. So for your understanding, I'm writing it over here. 14 cylinders are there. Then here, how many cylinders are given? Let us count. 1, count it with me. 2, 3, 4. How many cylinders are given? 4 cylinders. So what we have to do over here? Addition or subtraction? Addition. Why? Because your plus sign is given, right? And the question is add by counting forward. So addition you have to do. Read the question carefully before you solve it. Okay. So counting forward, right? So you have to take which number you will take in your hand. I have taught you, right? Always take smaller number in your hand. So 14 is smaller or 4 is smaller? 4. So take out 4 fingers in your hand. After that, what we are going to do? We will count after 14. Count after 14. Which number comes after 14? 15, 16, 17, 18. Again count after 14. 15, 16, 17, 18. So 14 plus 4 is equals to 18. 1, 8, 18. Understood this sum? Next. Now subtract. What is given? Subtract. So how many moons are there? First we have to count. Count with me. 1, 2, count loudly. 3, 4, 5, 6. Again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many moons? 6 moons. And here how many moons are there? 1, 2. So what we have to do? Addition or subtraction? Subtraction. So 6 minus 2. For subtraction, what did I tell you? You will count backward. Okay, take 2 in your hand, count before 6. Before 6, which number comes? 5, then 4. 5, 4. So 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Okay. Understood this sum, everyone? Shall we move ahead? Yes. So next question. This is workbook page number 23. This is given in workbook page number 23. Lesson number 4, add and subtract. Okay. So arrange vertically and add. So here children listen very carefully. Arrange vertically and add means what? How many numbers are given here? 2 numbers. What are they? Listen it very carefully, okay, students? 2 numbers are given, 45 plus 54. But first we have to arrange it in vertical order. Okay, vertically we have to arrange it. Now how we will do that? First, always I told you write tens and units. Box is given, you can see the box. So here in the box, we will arrange these 2 numbers. What we are going to do in this box, here you can see the box. In this box, we will arrange these 2 numbers. What are the 2 numbers given? 45 and 54. First, always you have to write tens and units here. Okay, in the first box, here you will write T. T for tens, U for units, tens and units. So now we will arrange this. You know, right, how to find out tens and units for the number? Now tell me, 4 is in which place? We have done this in the lesson number 3, place value. So 4 is in which place? Tens place. And 5 is in which place? Units place. Okay. So tens will go with tens and units will go with units. So what is the meaning of this? 4 we will write in the tens place here and 5 we will write in the units place here. Clear this much? First number we have arranged. Now we will arrange the second number given. That is 54. Now tell me, 5 is in which place? Tens place. And 4 is in units place. This much you know? Okay. Now what we have to do? Tens will go with tens. Units will go with units. So 5 we will write here in the tens place and 4 we will write here in the units place. Now this is called arranging the numbers vertically. Arranging the numbers vertically. Now tell me, what is the meaning of vertical? We have done in the first lesson, right? 3 types of lines: vertical lines, horizontal lines, and slanting or sloping lines. Remember, vertical means standing line. So that it is vertical order. This is vertical, this is horizontal, and this is slanting. So we have here arranged in vertical. Okay. So now we will add. First now we will, what we will do, we will add 45 plus 54. Always start addition or subtraction from which place? From which place you will start adding? Always start addition and subtraction from units place. Remember this. Now 5 plus 4. What do you have to do? 5 plus 4. So how to add now? You tell me. Take 4 in your hand. Take out 4 fingers. Count after 5. After 5, which number comes? 6. Then 7. Then 8. Then 9. Count again. Take out 4 fingers. Count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. What you will write over here? 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. Then again we have to do 4 plus 5. So again take out 4 fingers. Count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so answer is 99. Let us do it again. Listen here very carefully. Now you have to do it this with me in your workbook, or you can do it in the notebook, but everyone should do this sum with me. Okay, keep your pencil, notebook, everything ready before the lecture. Now arrange, read the question. Arrange vertically and add. Here there are how many numbers given? 2 numbers given, 45 and 54. And we have the box over here. So we will arrange these numbers in this box. What is the first step? Always write tens and units in the first box. Here we will write T. T for tens. Here we will write U. U for units. Okay. This is the first step you will do. Always remember, tens and units you have to write. Now you have to arrange these two numbers in the box. How to arrange? 45. What is the first number given? 45. Now tell me, 4 is in which place? Tens place. This we have already studied in the place value. How to find out the place value of the number. Revise it, okay? Don't forget. So 4 is in tens place and 5 is in units place. Then tens will go with tens and the number which is in the units place will go with units. So 4 we will write in the tens place and 5 we will write here in the units place, 45. First number we have arranged. Okay. Then now what we have to do? We have to arrange the second number also. This much is clear to you all. Now tell me, 5 is in which place? Unit, sorry. 5 is in which place? Tens place. And 4 is in units place. So the number which is in the tens place will go with tens. So here we will write 5. You also write. Write it in the notebook or workbook, but do it with me. And then 4 will go in units place here. So now we have arranged both the numbers. What we have done? We have arranged both the numbers. Now what we have to do? Add. We will add these two numbers. 45 plus 54. Always start adding from which place? Units place. From units place you will start adding. Okay. So 5 plus 4 we will do first. 5 plus 4. Take out 4 in your hand. 4 fingers. Count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the answer? 9. 4 plus 5 is also 9. So answer is 99. Whether we do 5 plus 4, answer will be same. Or we do 4 plus 5, then also the answer will be same. 9. Okay. So what is the answer? 45 plus 54? 99 is the answer. So did you understand how to arrange the numbers in vertical order? Okay, I hope you have understood. We will practice this, don't worry. We will practice some extra questions in this. If time permits, today or tomorrow we'll do it. Then, short answer question. Ram has, now read the 12th question with me. Let us move on to the next question. Ram has 3 laddus before lunch and 3 after lunch. Read the question properly. Ram has 3 laddus before lunch. How many laddus he has before lunch? 3. And 3 after lunch. Now after he had his lunch, How many laddus are there with him? 3. Before lunch, 3 laddus. After lunch, 3 laddus. Okay. How many laddus did he have in all? In all means we have to find out the total number of laddus he is having with him. So for that we will add. Remember, whenever in the question it is told in all or all together, total, that means you have to add. By adding, basically adding means what? Finding out the total. Okay, adding means finding out the total number of things. So here Ram is having 3 laddus before lunch, 3 laddus after lunch. So we have to arrange the number in this box again like this. Same we will do. But here single digit number is given, right? 3 is 1 digit number and 3, another 3 is also 1 digit number. Okay. So it is units. So only you will write here units. Units, you know na everyone, units means singles, 1 digit number. So no need of tens over here. Only you will write units. Okay. Then here you will write 3. Again you will write 3. 3 laddus before lunch, 3 laddu after lunch. Now what we have to do? Addition. 3 plus 3. Take out 3 in your hand. Count after 3. Everyone will use their fingers. Take out your fingers. Count after 3. After 3, which number comes? 4, 5, 6. Again count. 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Understood this sum? Let me show it to you again. Here you have to write units. Then you will write 2 numbers are given. 3 plus 3. 3 before lunch, 3 laddus after lunch. So here it is. What is the question over here? How many laddus did he have in all? All means we have to find out the total. So we will add. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. So how many laddus are there with him? 6 laddus. So we will write like this. Therefore, this is therefore sign, children. See here, therefore. This is therefore spelling. But in maths, what we do? We don't write this much big therefore. What we will do is we will write 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. This means therefore. Okay, in maths. Therefore in maths, not in English. It's therefore in maths. Okay. Instead of writing therefore this much big spelling, what we do in maths, we put 3 dots over here. Okay, so after solving the word problem, what is this word problem? It is given in sentence, na? So this is called word problem. So therefore, Ram has 6 laddus in all. Okay. Therefore, Ram has 6 laddus in all. Understood this sum? Understood everyone? What did we do today? Write yes in the chat box that if you have understood then. Okay, so practice this at home. Wait, don't go. Wait 1 minute. Wait a minute, students. Everybody will practice counting backward and counting forward and how to arrange the numbers in vertical order. Okay, how to arrange the number that we have studied today. Make your own numbers, make the box and arrange it. Okay, we will do some practice of this arranging tomorrow. Just give me 1 second. And you have to practice the tables also and the number names also. We have done the number names up to which number? Do you remember? We have done the number names up to 1 to 100. Yes. In the second lesson, we have done it. Read and write the numbers. So we have done number names up to 1 to 100. Practice this at home. Okay. So for today, shall we end the lecture? Bye everyone.